guess he just made it.
Everybody, I think you need to pull on over. I think.
Dinosaur, you wanna know something? No, I don't.
That's cool.
It's just a kid when you learn.
Oh God, guys. Guys.
I'm not even listening. I'm just trying to get back to the place. Well, I'm fine. I can't come back. I'm fine. I can't come back.
Okay, guys, I guess this is a new feature. Guys, how did I not spot this in my last video? Bro just went back in. Where's everyone at? Guys? Where y'all at?
OG man.
He accidentally went back in. No, don't go in, Blue, don't go in. Or Black, I don't know. Don't go in yet. Guys, let's go inside OG shop. Come on, let's go in OG shop, guys.
I missed this man.
Guys, look at OG shop.
I have so many memories.
Look at our shop, guys.
This is home.
Oh my God, guys, let's go to office. Come on. Let's go to office.
No, we can't. Can we
No.
go to mines?
Office was deleted. At least let's go to mines, guys. Come on. There's nothing to be raw. Mines,
Bro,
no.
they need to add the office to the new map. They
Huh?
need to add the office back.
I know, they need to add it back. At least let's go to Haunted Mansion, guys. Come on, let's go to Haunted Mansion. Guys, let's go to Haunted Mansion.
Let's see if
No! Haunted Mansion!
boys. I'm taking one for the team.
Nah, stay here. I'm doing it. I'm sacrificing for the team, guys. Maybe not. Maybe not. He already went. Yeah, look. Do not go over there. Do not go over there. You'll get glitched.
I don't want to go.
Wait, look.
Where are you guys?
The wires.
I'm at the brain.
They all got plugged up.
Can you show me where the brain is? Wait. No, I can't actually.
The only reason this
can't
happened
actually.
is because of the blue wire and the red wire connected to the box. Look, come here. Follow me.
Hurry. I am.
need to add back.
That's the only place that the monster can't get in the water.
This is the box.
Oh, that's fun.
It's not a monster person. That's my mom. Like, can you not listen? My mom. Ow!
No, don't leave me. Don't leave me.
That's my mom when I don't make my homework.
Well, guys, let's go see the new map. Where the boat is at?
Guys, go to the new case map. Go to the new case map.
What new caves map?
Everybody, come,
Oh yeah, there's a new caves map. I forgot. I was in
Go
there
to the
last.
new vent map. Go to vent. Guys, we need one more person.
Okay. I'm coming to vent map.
Wait, go one more person. We need one more person to go from.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
I think it's this.
Guys, where are you?
We're at the bridge.
Don't hit it.
Guys, where are you at?
I'm gonna scare it off.
Guys, come. I don't know where you're at. Get out of there. we running?
We're safe. Where?
Come on, let's go, let's go.
We're not safe.
You idiot! I actually hit you! I wanna kill you! Oh, why did he come out?
John, you can't win. You can't win. Monster, come and get me. Get me, monster, take me away.
Yeah, monster, calm down. Oh my god!
Oh, come next.
Reviving
Yeah, I need
me.
that. I need that. I need something here. Nah.
Haha. He got
Don't
revived.
let him see you.
Don't remove it.
Guys, I must die.
Oh my god!
That hurt. Ow! It hit me. Oh! Why? It hit me.
You know what time it is?
Kill you time.
Don't call me! Yeah, no, I'm not reviving you. Come to us, come to us.
I'm swimming.
Now you gotta hurry, bro.
Whoa, I'm swimming. I'd like to swim here.
The only thing that you do is actually just talk.
Guys, let me swim back up.
Oh, it's alive. It's normal again. It's normal again. It's normal again.
It's not matter, it's normal.
Sacrifice
It's normal.
him. Sacrifice him. He does not have
I
anything.
know he's evil. That's why to kill me.
Sacrifice him. He does not have anything.
Oh.
Are you scared, bro? Let me out.
Somebody shoot it.
I know. Somebody destroy this wire. No one likes it. Yes, thank you.
Oh no! His guys, come.
Shoot it. Shoot it. Somebody put it out of some misery.
Are you guys just wearing
Someone come with me. Someone come with me.
Oh!
Somebody hit it one more time and you will get $1,000 bucks.
But stay next to it. He got a weapon. He got a weapon.
Whoa!
Oh my.
No! Sacrifice him! Sacrifice him! He did it!
What?
He did it! He did it!
No, I didn't.
Bye-bye.
Bro, I got sent flying all the way over there.
Oh!
They want free galaxy. I don't know if they want. They want free galaxy. I don't know.
Who wants this teleport gun? Who wants it?
Someone revive me.
I do.
Revive me, yeah?
Thank
But
you.
revive me.
I really need one.
got the ass
So
okay.
bad. Let me see the meters. Oh, shoot.
Get him out. I'm gonna shoot him.
Get him out and you will get $1,000.
Okay, boys.
Well, he's gonna race in any second.
Yes, I'm shooting one of y'all.
There's nothing.
Nah, you guys are
They
okay.
coming? I need it.
He's normal though. Oh, he's gonna get mad though.
Come on, guys.
There's a
Let's go.
backpack.
Okay,
We're
go back,
going
go
on a
back,
trip
go back.
on our favorite rocket
He's
ship.
rising.
Get him back. Shoot him, dinosaur. Let's go, dinosaur. Tickle his ass there.
Whoa.
No, give it back.
Kill him.
Go, run, guys, run.
I killed it.
Run fast, run fast. He's runs fast. He's behind us. Run.
He's coming! Yeah!
La 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 lava. Chick.
Ooh, mama, see the bell ringing the bell.
Somebody come to the vest, please.
Boys, if you take my med, you're cooked.
Who touched him?
That's
Who
food.
touched him?
I got meds. I got
Yo, are you
meds.
coming, bro?
Come to the vest.
He coming, bro!
Hey, the shotgun ammo looks like meds.
Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac, Whopper.
Bring it to me. God damn. Bring it to me. Said bring it to me. That's what I wanted. I want it now. Bring it to me. Bring that thing to me.
Yeah. I have a dragon fruit and ember lilies. 2 ember lilies.
You're going to gamble.
Oh, I have the golden lab.
Alright, it gotta be one good thing.
I used to have a disco bee.
Who the heck touched it?
It has to be one more item and you want to get. There's medicine, food stuff, and there's jackpot.
Got him. What does got it?
There is.
Who touched it?
Yeah, I'm trying to run right now. Stop.
Hurry up, Lou, hurry up. Leave
Wanna
him
gamble?
alone. We don't need them.
What happened?
Go to the
Carter.
plug, go to the plug, go to the plug.
Or Carter.
Guys, wait for
Me.
Oh, you're his friend.
Where's the plug at?
What's that?
What the heck is this place?
Pull the plug. Grab one side,
Wanna stay on call with me though?
Blue, you're gonna die.
Oh, what?
Bro, fly.
Wanna gamble,
Hurry up. Go.
If you want.
Revive him. Follow the trees. It's safe to go down here. Wait, did he revive? No.
No.
Go fast. We're good. Revive him.
Alright.
Imagine you run for your life because there's a shark down here.
Oh, you're lying.
I hope you made it to the
Oh, you're lying. Oh, you're lying. There's not a shark down here.
Also die.
Oh my god. I wanna gamble,
What is this place?
Guys, wait for us.
Guys, wait. Guys, where did you go?
I'm right here. I'm just stuck.
Guys, I'm here.
Where are you?
At the plug. Because I'm at the plug.
I'm going at the plug.
What is this place?
Somebody give me the matter or
Probably. Okay, grab one side dinosaur.
Boys, what if I don't want to be here?
Pull the outlet! Pull the outlet! Who's doing that?
Where? What do you do?
You just pull it! You just pull it!
Yes, these two are pull up.
Pull it up! Pull it up! Pull it up! Pull it up!
Guys, I'm stuck.
We need more people.
I'm pulling.
Is there 3 people here? Is there 3 people?
Yeah.
4. We need all of you guys grabbing it up in time.
Here, you grab that one, I'll grab this one.
Different, but one person, if you have 4, has to be grabbing another person.
Guys, say you're like. Your
No,
mom
you have
is
to
under
grab it
your
all the way
car.
from the
This is like your
bottom.
mom is under
You
your
grab
car,
it all
bro.
the way from the bottom, not from the top.
Boy, that's what I'm doing. Look at what happens when I do that. Okay, boys? Here's my little boy.
Are you pressing the trigger?
Yeah.
All right, we'll keep holding it. Yeah, we made it 2 times, guys. Guys, we made it 2 times.
What the?
I made it.
What is this place?
It's version
There's gonna be version
0.0000. The first ever
We're in
update.
a new map.
Oh wait. What?
This is the first ever update.
Let's actually push your hand.
Yeah, this was the first ever
Okay,
update of
Jim.
Animal Company.
Hey, bro, give that back to me. Give that back to
Connected
me.
it to Animal Company.
Oh my
Which is
God.
what we got. But what the
Wait,
fuck?
who
is
has
other
Gray
people
Matter?
running around, man?
I don't know, but it's all the way up there now.
There's gonna be one. There's gonna be an event here. Secret item.
Yeah, but shouldn't the event happen today? Because today is Tuesday.
Yeah, it should
later on today it's
happen.
gonna spawn. Guys,
Oh,
let's go.
what's gonna spawn?
Do the turtle.
All right, let's just go up, I guess.
Just like this.
Guys, there's gonna be a what now? What's gonna be the update?
Yeah,
gonna be the update?
who wants to jump into the water with
Diver,
me?
you're so
Me,
done.
let's
Jump
go.
into the water.
I'm stuck.
Okay, let's go.
Somebody give me something so I can get out. Kill me.
Help! Help me!
Kill me.
There's no PvP. Sorry, baby.
Yes, there is. Bro, don't leave me here, please. You came up.